In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send ETH to your Coinbase wallet step by step. Let's make it a straightforward and easy process, perfect for anyone, whether you're a seasoned crypto user or someone just starting out. First up, you'll need to open your Coinbase wallet app or extension. This is the gateway to managing your cryptocurrency and one of the most secure places for storing your digital assets. Once you have it open and ready, you'll find a familiar interface before you. Next, navigate to the Send Receive section, which you'll spot by looking for the up and down arrows located at the bottom center of your screen. This area is vital since it's where all your sending and receiving activities are managed. From there, you'll need to tap on Receive. Ensure you're selecting ETH, as it's essential to choose the correct cryptocurrency for a seamless transaction. Once you have Ethereum selected, you'll be presented with two options to acquire your wallet address. You can either copy the displayed address or, if it's more convenient, scan the QR code with the sender's device. Now it's time to switch gears and open up your sender wallet. For this example, let's use metamask, which is a popular choice amongst many. Make sure that your metamask is set to the Ethereum mainnet. This step is crucial because using the wrong network can lead to failed transactions or worse, the permanent loss of funds. Moving on, initiate the send function within your sender wallet. You'll need to paste the ETH address you're sending to, which you obtain from your Coinbase wallet. It's always a good practice to double check the address, ensuring it matches perfectly to avoid sending your funds to the wrong wallet. After pasting the address, it's time to enter the amount of ETH you wish to transfer. Be clear and precise with the quantity to ensure your transaction goes as planned. A quick word of caution here. Before you send, make sure you have enough ETH to cover potential network fees, also known as gas fees. These fees fluctuate based on network demand, but are typically a few dollars for straightforward transfers like this one. Not having enough to cover the fees could result in unsuccessful transactions. And that's the gist of it. By following these steps carefully, you've successfully sent ETH from your wallet to your Coinbase wallet. Don't forget to always verify every detail during such transactions, as accuracy ensures the safety and security of your digital assets. Happy transacting, and as always, keep your information secure.